Welcome to the life of a Welsh folk pop star. You might think you're not a fan, but you probably are. If you were to miss me, it would be a shame. The Welsh Whisperer is my name. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for love. Ed Sheeran taught me how to do that.
Hello? Great news! It's actually happening then. I'm going on tour. Nice one.
Mae'r Welsh Whisperer yn iawn am o'n i. Dwi'n coelio bod oedd yn ei dalu hanner campyn sy'n mynd i ôl gig. Nath a neb trai fyny.
How much am I going to get paid per gig? 50 quid? Decent. You promise now? Nice one. Right. World Tour of Wales is finally booked. Really excited. Just packing up some of my essentials. I've got a couple of flags here, obviously, just in case anyone forgets where I'm actually coming from. Right, okay, so what venues am I playing? The library? Is that an actual library? Right, it is, okay. Miniature harp, because you never know when you're going to need one of them. Limited edition hip flask for your dad. Cassette for your grandma. The pig shack, what about that? That can't be a real pig shack, can it? It is a real pig shack. And I got plenty of copies of my debut album, Planny Head in Cariad, which is available in all good shops and petrol stations, by the way. Right. The public toilet. I am a bit worried about missing Olwenna Merera Darianwen, so I thought we'd spend some quality time together before I leave. Now, look, I've been with a lot of women. I mean a lot of women. And I'll tell you something for free. Olwenna Merera Darianwen is probably in my all-time top 10. Or maybe my all-time top 20.